Hello, dear friends, and let me extend my very warm welcome to all of you today. So today we are going to do a very interesting kind of art form. It's called Zentangle. It's an art practice which enhances relaxation and focus. Zentangle itself may be relatively new, but the basic principles involved are as old as the history of art. It includes a core practice in the ancient and contemporary arts and mirrors the symbols, designs, and patterns from numerous cultures like Indian, Mayan, Maori, etc. It has a load full of benefits. So let me tell you the benefits.
So it's very interesting to know the benefits of Zentangles. It helps in relaxation. It's simple and quick access to mindfulness. It helps in insomnia. Like we can just do some Zentangles just before going to bedtime and it'll help us in having better sleep. It helps in self-esteem. It inspires. It's helpful in panic attacks. It modifies behavior, being a part of good fun community. It creates beautiful works of art, of course. It nurtures and develops creative abilities, relieves stress, improves eye and hand coordination. It helps in team building. It's therapeutic in anger management and so much more.
So today we are just going to start, and I hope you can all see the screen.
Yes, Gaurav.
So the first part. So I'm taking a pencil and making a heart. Can we see the heart? So,
Can we make any design or we have to follow you?
see, I'll just guide you to one heart and a few different patterns, and then we
Shapes.
can incorporate these styles into whatever we want to do, and we can
Okay.
develop our own styles as well. Just to give you a basic idea how we can incorporate small things, small lines, different kind of lines, and form beautiful patterns. So I'm using a pencil right now for just the heart because we can rub it off easily afterwards. So I'll just take a sketch pen and start. So can we all make a small heart? We make a small heart here. Can you see? Let me zoom in. See. Just made a small heart. And I hope everybody can write 3, number 3. So we'll just start writing number 3 in spiral form. Just around the heart. 3, 3, 3, 3, and we make a rose. Very simple rose, just by alphabet 3. So let's make another rose. You can all do it with me. So we'll make a card, and we can do cards like this for, like, we can write best mom, love you mom, or whatever, best sister. And we'll make another flower here around the heart. We are just making. And we can make a few leaves also. So the roses have zigzag leaves, so making zigzag lines, 2 lines to make a leaf, and one here. We can make the composition as we want. If we don't want 3 flowers, we just want 2, we want less leaves or more leaves, it's up to us. And we can even add more straight lines in the leaves. the best thing is that we can just go with the flow. We were just playing with some lines. So we started with a pencil, we made a heart, and then for the flowers, we just made a small heart, and we just went spiral around it with number 3. So we just wrote 3 like this in spirals to make a flower. The best thing is that you don't have to be concerned if I'm going to go wrong about it. There is no wrong way. And it is just number 3. One can be small, one can be big, doesn't matter. And around the heart, we made 3 flowers and a few leaves. For the leaf, we used a zigzag line like this, and just in the center, we filled in with some straight lines. So it's just incorporating different kind of lines, may it be curved lines, zigzag line, or a straight line together to form different symbols or different patterns that we can do. So everything will come out together in a nice pattern. Let's make one more flower here. Probably another leaf. And make, so I hope you've done till here.
Yes, Gaurav.
Why is it called Zentangle?
Zen is like a condition where you are very calm and peaceful. It is, I think, Japanese or Chinese way
Yeah,
of
Japanese.
Yeah, so
Right.
it's Zen, and tangles, like we're just tangling the lines together. So it's just a form of a doodle or something that tangles, that
Structured
lead you
doodle.
into a very calm state of mind. So while you're doing it, just enjoy doing it with a smile, and you'll feel calm and peaceful.
Okay, thank you.
I hope everybody's done this much. Should I go further?
Yes, Gaurav.
Great, ma'am. It's looking very nice. So now the fun part. This was the hardest part, what we've done. So now we'll just suppose we have to connect these around the heart. So we'll just make a double line like this, and probably like this. See, it's just going across and probably under the heart. So we just breaking it up and just making it like so. We can just make it like this. Just a few kind of double lines or ribbons around the heart. So now once we made the twines, just around the heart, we'll just draw curvy lines, just like this. So it gives a fuller shape to the heart. Just between the twines and formulating the heart. just some curved lines or whatever. See, it comes together into a beautiful heart with flowers. It's looking lovely like this. But we can also fill in colors. Need to write anything that we want, like best mom or I love you. If we don't like a heart, we can make a circle and we can put in flowers wherever we want to, maybe a square, whatever shape we want, we can do it like this. So we've just finished making this lovely card. And we'll be moving on to very simple patterns now. So I hope everybody's done this.
Yes.
Great. So for patterns, I've just made a table like this. We can we'll be doing around 4 or 5 patterns. So maybe box with 3 and 2 by 3 boxes, like 6 boxes together. So I'll wait for a minute till everybody makes tables like these. We'll be making at least 4 tables like these of 2 by 3 boxes. So 6 boxes together makes 1 table. We need 4 such tables. So we're just going to join the corners and make a cross like this. Easy. We can use a scale if we want. You can just put a scale or freehand, whichever you feel comfortable with. So in all these 6 boxes, let's make so now we're taking each triangle. So in the first triangle, just from one line to the other, we'll just make straight lines. Now in this triangle, from this joint of the line to this line, we'll just redo these 4 lines. And even in this triangle, we'll just join these. We make a pattern like this. And one triangle we've left empty. Now this same design will follow up. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, on this one also, we'll do. Just see that the number of lines in each box are the same. So I am doing 4 lines, 4, 4 each. So can you see such a beautiful pattern has just come out with just drawing simple lines. Now, how to make it better? Now we're going to make it better also. To make it more interesting, now we'll fill in one line, alternate lines. So like, suppose we filled in the first line, we leave the second line. Similarly, we can keep it without filling also if you like it that way, or we can fill it as we like it. Now see, in the same pattern, I'm using a different color now. So see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now in this second box, instead of putting same way, I'm going to reverse it. So I'm going to put this one empty, and I'm going to do lines in this one. So now if we color it, the same pattern will look like a different pattern. It's the same pattern. We can do it in different ways. So that was our first pattern, and we did it in 2 ways. So we've got 2 patterns instead of 1. So are you ready for the next box? So instead of making a cross, we'll make a V. We'll take the center point and we'll just join it here like V. Just mark a center point and then join this into a V. And invert it from the base. Simple. So let's start with these triangles in the middle ones that we made. So again, a simple line, just one line. And then instead of making straight line, we'll go again like this. We'll draw it like this. See? Then again from here and like this. Once more. And the small point that's left, we just fill it in. And the triangles below these, we can do the same way like this one. Right? And in the other triangles, we can just put straight lines. We can continue them. We can use a scale if we want to. So with just straight lines and diagonal lines, we've made such a beautiful pattern. And if we want to, enhance it more, again, we can just fill in alternate lines. Can you see the patterns? They're same patterns, but now since we filled in the lines, it's looking different. If we don't want to fill it in with lines, we can do whatever we want. We can put it like circles in this if we want. It's up to us. It's just playing with two different lines, ways of lines to create an illusion. So let's move to the next design. Now, like the last time, we'll just make diagonals and in the lower ones, or we can do even like this, whichever way you like. We can make our own pattern. Whichever diagonals you want to join, you can join. You can make a star, bigger cross, or just like this, whatever you feel like. And this one, we are going to go fluid lines. So we'll take each triangle and we'll start from one point and go in spiral ways from one point to the other. Like from this point to this point, then to this, then back again. So we're just going to go spiral in, and with free hand, we'll just do this. And the small part that's left, we can fill it in. Easy. And we'll do this with all the triangles. So we can just fill in with a spiral fluid line. Just fill in the. See, this one is coming like a flower. If we make a star kind of thing, it will make a flower. But since we've done it in a different way, it will form different patterns, different geometrical patterns. So see, we've made such a beautiful and very intricate looking abstract this pattern. It's a very quick way of making beautiful patterns with just simple lines, and you don't need any expertise, and there is no wrong line. Like if you made a line big or small, the gaps are not equal or equal, doesn't matter.
Excellent.
I really love this one. It's so fluid and it doesn't take.
And one never thought that sort of simple lines say you can do so much.
I was just sitting, I had some time. So I just used colored ballpoint pens and made bookmarks with this same technique. I've used just a green and a pink ballpoint pen on just some waste paper that I had. And now it's a bookmark, beautiful bookmark that I can use.
Lovely.
Right, so let's move on to the next design. Now, in this one, we'll just make straight lines in a spiral, in a special way. So let's start from a corner and just we'll mark, take the line slightly away from the corner. Can you see this? Now from this point, we'll take it to this line, again slightly away from the corner. It's just going spiral from this point to this point. From this point, again, now we're taking this line and slightly away from the corner. We just go spiraling. And in the center, we can fill it in. Corner and join to this. And now we're taking the spiral the other way around. Just like this. Just go spiral. Fill in. So we've done 4 different patterns. Vijayji, show us what you've done. See, very nice. You've inverted the lines in the second one and it comes out to be a different pattern. So nice. I'll ask for 2 pieces of paper. So this is the second sheet. So let's take the second sheet and we'll fold it in lengthwise to create. Be careful with this so that you fold it exactly from the center. And then we fold it again into another half, like this way. Again, please be careful that it is from the center, like this. Second fold. And now again, we'll fold it back again into a third fold. It becomes a small thing like this. We're going to open it back up. We are going to fold from the center and make it like this. एक साइड से खुला है और एक साइड से बंद है. जहां से जॉइंट है वहां से आधा तक हम इसको कट कर देंगे. You just take a scissors and snip it up from the center till the half. जो जॉइंट साइड है वहां से. अब दिस साइड जो मैंने काटा है, दिस इज जॉइंट, the other side is opening. So if we open, we can see there's a hole in the center. Right? Yeah. So now we again fold it from the longer side, and then we just fold it into a book form. So now we have a book of 8 pages.
कैसे किया फिर से बताना, जहाँ से कट किया वहां से बताइए.
पहले एक शीट लिया, उसको लंबी
हाँ.
की तरफ से फोल्ड करा हाफ. ठीक है.
हाँ हाँ.
उसके बाद इसको हमने दोबारा से हाफ फोल्ड कर दिया. सेकंड फोल्ड.
हाँ.
फिर इसको हमने एक बार और फोल्ड कर दिया, थर्ड फोल्ड. राइट. अच्छे से प्रेस कर लिया और फिर हमने
हाँ.
इसको खोला, पूरा पेज खोल दिया, तो हमारे पास 8 बॉक्सेस बन जाएंगे इसमें. राइट.
हाँ हाँ.
अब हम इसको शॉर्ट साइड से फोल्ड करेंगे ऐसे हाफ.
हाँ.
ओके. और एक साइड पर हमारा बंद होगा और एक साइड पे खुला होगा.
हाँ.
ठीक है. तो जो बंद साइड है उससे हम जो सेंटर वाली लाइन है उससे हाफ पेज तक काट देंगे.
काट दिया.
काट दिया. अब हम इसको फिर
मतलब
खोलेंगे.
एक मिनट, जो बीच में कटा है वही बोल रहे हो ना आप, वो काट दिया.
ये कट गया आपका ऐसे.
आई वांट टू शो.
ऐसा बन गया.
हाँ.
Right. So now we fold it back from the longer side. ठीक है. और जहां आपने काटा है ना उसको आप ऐसे
हाँ.
खोलो दोनों तरफ से, तो ऐसा क्रॉस साइन बन जाएगा.
हाँ, बन गया.
Right. Now you put them together and fold them. So you get a booklet. It's a 8-page booklet. Can you see?
Yes.
We have, this is a very special booklet and we are going to do a very special thing with this. So this booklet we are going to keep with us, and I am going to ask you to write something on each of the pages, right? The first page is, you can write my affirmations. Do you know what an affirmation is?
Yes, sir. Positive intention.
Yes. So it's a positive intention that we want to bring into our life. So I'm going to share a couple of affirmations with you. I'm going to share around 20 very simple affirmations. You have to choose 7. And in each page, whichever you like, जो भी आपको पहले connect करती है, just write in the center of the page that affirmation. So we'll have to select 7 पहले पेज पे हमने लिख लिया my affirmation, फिर सेकंड से लेकर 8th पेज तक we'll write one affirmation each in the center of the paper. Okay, and let me share the affirmation with you. So the first affirmation is I am peaceful, I am peace. If you like this, you can write it down on the first page, or if you want to wait, the second one is I am successful. Whichever you resonate more, you can just write down on the piece of paper on each page separately. So one affirmation per page, and we have to just select 7. The third one is I am joyful. Fourth one is I am calm, happy, and content. I am calm, happy, and content. Fifth one is the point of life is balance, not perfection. The point of life is balance, not perfection. Sixth one, my potential to succeed is limitless. My potential to succeed is limitless. Seventh, I forgive those who have hurt me. I forgive those who have hurt me. Eighth, I have the power to create change. I have the power to create change. Ninth, I can do anything I put my mind to. I can do anything I put my mind to. 10th, I am blessed with amazing family and friends. I am blessed with amazing family and friends. 11th, I attract abundance into my life. I attract abundance into my life. 12th, I am free to create the life I desire. I am free to create the life I desire. Number 13, I choose to see the good. I choose to see the good. 14th, I give myself space to grow and learn. I give myself space to grow and learn. 15th, I listen to my intuition and trust my inner guide. I listen to my intuition and trust my inner guide. 16th, I am creatively inspired by the world around me. I am creatively inspired by the world around me. 17th, my mind is full of brilliant ideas. My mind is full of brilliant ideas. 18th, I am grateful. I am grateful. 19th, I am at peace with who I am. I am at peace with who I am. Number 20, today I am brimming with energy and overflowing with joy. Today I am brimming with energy and overflowing with joy. So these are very simple 20 affirmations. We can select any 7 that we resonate more with, and we can just write down one on each paper of the booklet that we've just made. I'm sure you'll be wanting to use more than 7, but we can just pick 7 out of these, whichever are your favorite, whichever you like. And what we are going to do as a homework, like we're just going to decorate all these pages in different colors, different patterns as we like. We can make probably a square or a cloud in the center of the page, so that where we've written, we can highlight that, and all around it we can use Zentangles, patterns, whatever you like, whatever colors you like. You like, if you attended the Madhubani class, you can use Madhubani, or you can use Burli if you've attended the Burli class, or anything that you want, or maybe just patterns with Zentangles on each page and beautify it. And this is going to be with you. It's a very special booklet. And like 7 days of a week, we've got 7 affirmations to use. So we can choose one for each day. And early morning, as we wake up, the first thing we should do is to do the affirmation. And when you go back to sleep, the last thing that we will do is the affirmation, the same affirmation. So we'll do the affirmation at least twice, once early morning, once before we are going to sleep. And if you get time, or if you want to do it in the middle of the day also, that you can do it. And how to do an affirmation? We will just speak it out loud first, so that we are going to, put the seed in the cosmos, that we are attracting whatever is in the affirmation to us. Like, suppose, I am peaceful, I am peace. So first 2 times we'll speak it loudly. I am peaceful, I am peace. I am peaceful, I am peace. With meaningfully, with your heart. And then 2 times at a normal voice as we talk. I am peaceful, I am peace. I am peaceful, I am peace. And then 2 times mentally, we'll just, in our heads, we'll repeat it. I am peaceful, I am peace. I am peaceful, I am peace. And soon you will realize that you will attract all these qualities in your life, whatever you want. So you can just choose whichever affirmations that you like, and we can use them. We can make this special booklet with us, and we can keep it near our bedsides, so that early morning, whenever we wake up, the first thing we do is do an affirmation. And before going to bed, the last thing that we do is the affirmation. I hope all of you enjoyed the class, and it was fun. I hope, and it will be fun to do this booklet the way you want to. And hopefully you'll attract all the good and positive thoughts from the affirmations in your life.
Gaurav sir,
Yes, Rashmi ji.
first time I'm attending this class, but seriously, I was just so much involved in this while doing this activity. There was a breakfast for me on the table that I could not finish on time. I thought during the class I will finish, but I can see that how much it was giving me that happiness and enjoy. And at the same time, I was so much involved and concentrate on that thing. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
And I would
Rashmi.
like to attend your next class also.
Absolutely, we love to have you. And I'm so grateful that you attended the class and you enjoyed it.
I also have a question. Is there going to be another Madhubani workshop? Because I would like to join that. I missed the first one.
Sure. We'll definitely do a Madhubani class. We'll let you know. The next class we were planning on mandalas. So I'll discuss if we'll have a mandala
Yes,
class or a
Mandala
Madhubani class.
also. Yes, I want to join the mandala class. But if we have to buy that, the D and the round whatever, what is it called?
No. We don't need to buy anything. We just would need a piece of paper, a pencil, a scale, and whatever colors that you have. You don't have to buy anything.
Okay.
If you have just one sketch pen, that is okay. If you have 10, that is also okay. If you don't have sketch pens, you got a ballpoint pen, that is okay.
Okay. Okay. No, I thought for making the outlines, I think you need that round protractor or something
No,
to mark the angles. No.
no. We'll do it in a different way.
Okay. Okay.
See,
Fine.
what we feel is earlier it was a lockdown, now it's open now, and you can still go out and get some things. But
Yes, yes.
why do you need some fancy things? Whatever you have at home, if you have a circle compass or something, you can use it. If you don't have it, we'll learn how to do it without the compass.
Okay. Fine. Very good. Very good. Thank you, sir. I also made that this grid and design today. It has turned out quite nice.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So,
Thank you so much, Gaurav. I will have to take leave now. I
Yeah.
really enjoyed. I
Thank you so
learned
much.
so much, and I especially like that you kahin na kahin se include good virtues for the children also, trying to make them positive. That's a very good trait. God bless.
मैम आपके पीछे का जो बैकग्राउंड है वो भी
वो भी
है
Zen Tangles है। मैंने आज ही रियलाइज किया मेरा वॉलपेपर यही है मुझे अभी तक पता नहीं था राइट राइट सी यू थैंक यू
See
बाय
you. Thank you so
Bye.
much, Dr. Ruchi. And
Bye.
thank you everyone for joining. And we'll meet next
Thank you so
Saturday.
much.
या बाय
Thank you. Have a good day.